There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. A little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube. This is my first automotive video. Just me driving down the road. Yep. I'm going to try to take this with me when I go over the border one of these days. Record my trip in Vermont. Let's record that now. Ding ding ding. I'm not sure how good this video is going to look because it's super dark and, well, that was one thing in the video. I darkened the screen, so I can't really see much. And of course, the camera's like falling down, so that doesn't help. I guess I gotta use a better camera mode. There's my put your goddamn seatbelt button. This camera mode is stupid. It's like, there we go. That's better. I always see those like cameras that we call people getting accidents. You see the camera go flying. I don't think this phone would withstand a huge amount of shock if I got into a car accident. But yeah, I'm on the back road. Oh, here we go. Here comes the automobile. I want to see how bright it gets up ahead. Because there's, what do you call it? Street lights and shit up ahead. Clickety clang, clickety clang. Check out the video when I get home. I also want to try to shoot in the daytime. Daytime, nighttime, every time. There's that stupid fucking vaccination bullshit sign. Here we go. I don't know what it's recording or what it's doing. Looks like I'm riding on a bubble or something.